Welcome to Skill Up. I'm come back with new topics. So today I'll show you how you can upload media. Media means like image, video you can upload on your website. Then also you can get links. How you can do it. So if you want to learn on these topics, you just stay with me. Otherwise, you can just skip on this video. So if you want to learn, then you just log in your WordPress website. This is my WordPress website, but my website is localhost, not live website. So if you want to upload anything, you can go like media. If you click media, then you see if you have any previous uploaded image or PDF file, then show you there. Now no have media files. No, that's why no media items found. That's why it's empty. All right. So if you want to upload anything, you just click here. Okay, then you just select the file. So what you want to upload. So if you want to upload, then you just select and click here again. This already uploaded. You just click here. So now if you want to this link, source link, then you just click URL. Okay. Then tab new tab and paste here. Now you see this main media file. So that's it. That's pretty easy. And let me know if you have any problem, and I'll try to support to you. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.